Well, welcome to another video help guide, and in this one I'm going to show you how to embed a Google document, which is a word processing file, and a Google spreadsheet. Now you may well be wondering, why am I not starting from Google Drive? In fact, why is my Google Drive closed? Well, the reason is this, is that Firefly has this amazing feature which allows you to embed a Google document or a Google spreadsheet directly from Firefly. What this means is that you don't have to worry about opening the page in Google Drive or going into File and selecting the code and copying the code and then opening up Firefly and then going to embed and then pasting the code in and all that kind of palaver we had before. You can do it directly from Firefly. And what's more, Firefly allows you to choose what permissions you'd like to have on that Google document or Google spreadsheet. You can choose whether you wish your students to view the file or to edit and make changes to the file, or you can carry over the existing permissions you had on that file. So if you had your file set for read-only but comments, you can do that too. So let me show you how it works. So I'll go into Firefly directly. And I've made a title where I want to embed my document. So I'm going to go to Edit Page, just scroll down to the bottom, click and press Enter. And then what I do is I click on the More button at the top. All the features here, I just move down to the bottom and find Google Doc in the bottom left and click on it. It tells me that no document has been selected, so I need to click on the Choose Google Doc button. I click on it. Now, because I have logged out of my Google Drive, I just need to log back in so the connection can be made. So I'll just type in the password like this. Now, if you still had your Google Drive open, it would automatically go to this feature here. And you can see it has two tabs here, Documents showing you just your documents that you have, and Spreadsheets showing your spreadsheets. So don't worry if you can't see your images or your Google Slides. It's just for the moment showing documents and spreadsheets. So I'm going to embed this one here. So I click on it to select it and then press Select. And then the next menu I get asks me what permission I want to give my readers. So I can either choose Read or Edit or carry over the permissions that it originally has. Well, I'm going to choose Read. And I'm quite happy with the compact size. I could go to full screen, but I'll show you why I don't need to in a moment. So I click on Done, and hopefully you'll see the document appear here. Now, because I have opened up my Google Drive, I can edit it. But let me show you what it would look like to somebody that does not have Google Drive and has not made this file. So if I go into, I'll just need to save this first. Let me go into Safari and let's just refresh this page. It's the exact same page but in a different browser, and hopefully you'll see if I scroll down to the bottom, here is this document, and you can see I can scroll up and down, but I have no opportunity to edit that document. It's read-only. What I can do if I scroll down is I can open it in Google Docs, so I can see it full size even though I don't have a Google account. And I can do a few other features with this. I could download it and print it off. So that's how to embed a Google document in Firefly directly. Let me show you how you do it with a Google spreadsheet. So let's just go back to my original place. I'm going to go back into Edit the Page, and it's pretty much the same process. Let me just go down to the bottom and click where I want my spreadsheet to go. There we go, underneath my document. Click on More, go back and choose Google Doc again. Click on the Google Doc document. This time go to the Spreadsheet tab, and I think I'm going to choose this one here, App Review, and click Select. Again, I've got choices on what I would like to do. I'm going to leave it to Read and Compact and press Done, and hopefully you'll see that the document now appears down there. There it is there. If I just press Done to save it, and now go back into Safari, let's go and have a look at what it looks like in Safari. Let's just refresh this page, and hopefully, if I scroll down, you should see the spreadsheet. There it is. And of course, again, if I just scroll down to the bottom, get the hang of this scroller. I can open this in Google Documents, so I can see my spreadsheet in a bigger page. And you can see again, I have no permissions to be able to edit it. I can only download it, and I don't have to have a Google Drive account. So that's how to use this fantastic feature in Firefly to embed a Google document and a Google spreadsheet. And in the next video, I'll show you how to do the same thing, but this time give editing permission to the documents.